Hey everyone, is your car shifting unpredictably? Do you notice sudden transmission slips, delays, or even limp mode? You plug in an obd2 scanner and it shows P0844, transmission fluid pressure sensor, switch A, circuit intermittent. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission failure and expensive repairs. But don't worry, today, I'll explain what P0844 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where you can find the exact sensor location for a quick fix. Let's get started. What is P0844? The P0844 trouble code appears when the transmission control module detects an intermittent voltage signal from the transmission fluid pressure sensor, A. This sensor helps regulate hydraulic pressure inside the transmission for smooth gear shifting. If the sensor's signal is inconsistent, your car's shifting performance will be affected. Common symptoms of P0844, erratic or rough shifting. Transmission, slipping or hesitation, limp mode, activation, overheating transmission, poor fuel economy and acceleration. Check engine light or transmission, warning light. Now, let's locate the sensor and key components for an accurate fix. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To fix P0844, you need to inspect the following key components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. A location, mounted on the outside of the transmission near the valve body or inside the transmission pan. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and sends signals to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually attached to the transmission housing or inside the engine bay. Function, controls gear shifting based on sensor inputs. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, mounted in the engine bay, usually near the firewall or fuse box. Function, works with the TCM to manage the transmission system. Transmission wiring harness and connectors location, runs between the TFPS, TCM and PCM, usually attached to the transmission body. Function, transmits electrical signals between the sensor and control modules. Transmission fluid and filter location, inside the transmission pan. Function, ensures smooth shifting and correct pressure readings. Common causes of P0844, faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. If the sensor is worn out or has internal damage, it may send intermittent signals. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Contaminated or incorrect fluid can affect sensor readings. Loose or corroded wiring and connectors. Damaged wires can cause an unstable connection. Defective transmission control module, TCM. A failing TCM may not interpret the signals correctly. Internal transmission issues, blockages, or worn-out transmission components can affect hydraulic pressure readings. How to fix P0844. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid level and condition. Drain and replace if necessary. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Replace if faulty. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires and fix them. Step 4. Scan for additional transmission codes. Other codes may provide clues about related issues. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. After repairs, clear the code and drive to see if the issue persists. Final words. The P0844 code can cause severe transmission performance issues, but checking the fluid pressure sensor, wiring, and transmission fluid quality can help you fix it before it turns into a major repair. Watch these related videos next. P0554. Power steering pressure sensor circuit intermittent. P0555. Power steering pressure sensor circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.